Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. This video is in collaboration with Crafty Momma's gift giving ideas for Father's Day Hop, and this is hosted by Jackie over Crafting in Mimi's World and Melissa or Melissa Makes It DIY. So after you have viewed my video, please do click on the link in my description box for the next video so you can see all these talented women have in store for you. So this is the final reveal of my Father's Day theme project. So let me start with this cute mug. I think it's a soup cup, and it was plain. Stuck the stickers like Dad is a champion. I have a hero. I call him Dad. What are all the other wish? Dad's Day and World's Greatest Dad. Those are the 4 stickers. They were there, so I just stuck around the cup or mug or soup mug. That's all it is to there. And it looks so gorgeous, and it's a great gift for Dad's Day. And I stuffed with 2 of those greenery with the burlap attached to it. So I just stuffed it like you saw the process. So it looks nice and neat. Yeah, this is one of the project I'm very much proud of. So this is one of the mug project that I'm very happy with, and let me know your thoughts on that. And the other one is one of the wooden picture frame, and I created a bow with burlap ribbon, and I had one more burlap small ribbon, and I stuck it together. I created a bow, and I stuck one cute brown button. Those foam letters, I love that on the picture frame. So I'm loving this project, so let me know your thoughts on this. And the other one is the mug sleeve, and this is one of the mug from Dollar Tree. It comes like a 2 in a pack, and this is one of the faux leather. I just stuck it around as a mug sleeve in the form of a vest, and I stuck 3 buttons. So it looks like it's a men's cup. I just love this, how it turned out. So let me know your thoughts on this as well. And the next one is this beautiful garland. And this is basically one of the kids section, one of the brain teaser toys. So I just alternated beige and brown square beads, and I attached it with one end with a tassel using the jute twine. On the other end, I got this set of wooden keychain. It was $1 at Michael's at dollar section, and I stuck this is one of the cute tassel from the wedding section, and I stuck the suit on the other side of the garland. So it turned out really well. I'm very happy about this project as well. Let me know your thoughts on this. The next one is this cute suitcase. I didn't know what to do with. I got all those, the dad's theme stickers. I stuck one of the cute suit tassel with the black button for the bow, and I stuck 2 of those, the tools and grill. So this is one thing that dads would love, so I thought like I should make a box out of this. So this is the few simple and easy projects that I created in honor of Father's Day. So let me know your thoughts on this, which one is your favorite, and if you want to give any suggestions towards my channel, I would appreciate that. Like I always say, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel yet, please do consider subscribing, liking and sharing. And thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.